This was also a app notification. So if you want to pick up any sneakers, make sure you have those notifications set. And if you need to know which notifications or which Twitter accounts or anything like that, shoot me a comment or a message and I'll go through with you. All right.
It's the finish line button.
Is it? It looks like it. So, paper up first. Let's pull it out here. Ready? Watch. No, watch. All right. Whoa! Let's look at this first. Look at this packaging. What does it look like?
A rectangle.
Right, but what's the background look like? Does it look like
Water.
water? And look, it's a clear box. Box top. Now let's open it slow. Whoa, and whoa! You want to read this box? What does this say?
Air Jordan 13 Retro Trip.
Retro. And what's the color?
Blue.
Right, but what's this say?
Muslin.
Muslin. That's a big word. What's this word say?
Celestine. Celestine blue.
Mm-hmm. Alright, so these are from Soulfly. UNC 13 colorway. The powder blue. Again, I'm most excited about these. Let's go over. I'll flip the camera over in a second. Grayson written this top paper, which is fine. Throw that in there. You got some natural light there. So the overall colorway I like. I have a bunch of the UNC Jordan colorways, the 1s, the 3s, I think. The 4s definitely. So excited for that. The 5s are coming out, which I'm excited for. So, quick look at the shoe. Top of the shoe, I love white, powder blue. I like the texture here. It's like a Gore-Tex texture. The hologram. The inside's cool. It's got quilted design inside. Not a huge fan of the brown or tan bottom. Here or here. It's a cool little thing here. Pretty soft. These look like they can get dirty very quickly, so gotta be careful about that. But overall, I'm happy I got these. Oh, that's a cool little accent here. It says Soulfly again. There. It's got a little bit of imperfections here, little bumps. Not sure how I feel about this part or the bottom here. On traditional 13s, I feel, or maybe even 11s, they look a little bit different, this material. What do you think of these, Gray? Do you like these?
Yeah.
Why do you like these? Do you know why you like these? Why do you like these? Do you like the color?
Yeah.
Do you like this little hologram?
What's a hologram?
It like changes shape and color when you turn it.
Can Grayson do this?
It's not a button. It looks like a button.
Can Grayson turn it?
You just turn the shoe. Are these your size?
No.
No. What's your favorite sneaker? Do you know? Legos?
Yeah.
Lego sneakers?
Yes.
Oh, nice. So that's what I got for now, guys. I'm going to do a couple more boxings. I got some boxes in the garage. So I'll close out with Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, New Year's resolutions, all that. Everyone be well, and let's make 2023 our year. Peace.